Sound samples of 1970, 1971 Epiphone ET270 with 1960s Italian-made EKO pickups. I'm playing through a 5F4 amplifier. I'm using a little bit of compression and a little bit of reverb. Neck pickup. Neck and bridge pickup in series. Bridge pickup. I'm going to dial down the treble a bit so you can really hear how this switch works. This is the guitar with all the treble dialed off. Now, when I throw this switch here, it's going to make it nasally sounding. I'm cutting out the bass. And there you have it, an EKO pickups inside of an ET270 guitar.